Assalamualaikum students, I am your physics teacher Himansha Zadi. Today we will discuss about the electric field and electric field intensity. First of all, we have to discuss first what is electric field. I just want to give you concept of electric field, that is what is field. First of all, what is field? Suppose I am standing here and the region or the things around this region where I can hold these things around that point where my effect, my hand effect or my authority can be feel, that will be my field. Okay? Similarly, if I consider its mean, simply I can say that the region around me where my effect can be feel, or you can say that the things around that region where you can say that my hold can be feel, that is called field. Now, related to electric field, because we are discussing here about charges, as chapter name is electrostatics, and we are discussing about there is of charges that are at rest. Now, related to this electric field, we can define it as related to the charge. We are discussing the charge, and related to the charge, we will discuss it as the region around the charge where it affects can be filled by, you can say that can be filled by that of the other objects or other charges. We can write it simply as electric field is the region around the charge where it exerts electrostatic force on an other charge. Simple is that suppose I have this charge Q, and if I place any charge, suppose it's a positive charge, and I place a positive charge here, in this case this test charge. First of all, this is a test charge. Suppose I say it is a test charge. Test charge is a charge you can say that which is used to check the validity of the original charge or actual charge, and it should be positive. This is what I mentioned earlier. Test charge always should be positive and its effect or its electric field should be negligible. ये टेस्ट चार्ज की क्या कंडीशंस है? टेस्ट चार्ज should be positive, and the second thing is its field effect should be negligible. Why negligible? Because if its effect will be stronger, then obviously it will change its behavior. It will move this charge away or towards that of the test charge. So we can't justify this behavior. That's why we just want to justify this charge behavior by bringing this charge near or away from that of the actual charge. So this is just a description of this charge. कि टेस्ट चार्ज आपके पास कहना चाहिए बहुत स्मॉलर होना चाहिए, जिसकी फील्ड इफेक्ट हो बहुत negligible. ठीक है. Now, if I bring this positive charge near this positive charge, what will happen? It will repel these charges. Obviously, the like charges will repel each other. It will repel and it will move away and away and away. Obviously, at a certain point will come when this positive charge reach at this point, and it will show no effect from this charge. At this point, it will become at rest. You can say that its mean the effect of this charge is around this region. Is it clear? When this charge is out of this region, its effect will be negligible or zero. So this is the region where this charge will affect, you can say that will affect this charge, test charge, or will exert some electrostatic force of attraction or electrostatic force of repulsion, whatever. If it is a negative charge, so test charge will be attracted towards this. Around this region, it will be attracted at a certain point. If it will be around this distance, so it will show no attraction from this charge. As far as we will exert electrostatic force on the plus charge or any other charge. This is called electric field. Is it clear? This is our explanation about the electric field. Now, the second thing is electric field intensity. What is electric field intensity, beta? Electric field intensity is basically strength of the electric field at any point. We can explain it as electric field intensity at any point is defined as the force acting on a unit area. This is electric field intensity at any point is defined as electric lines of, or you can say that defined as force acting on a unit positive charge, defined as force acting on unit positive charge at that point. This is called electric field intensity. Mathematically it can be written as we discussed here, force on a unit charge or unit positive charge. Force on unit positive charge. This is known as electric field intensity. So we can calculate it as mathematical form. Is it clear? Electric field intensity is a force on unit positive charge. This is called electric field intensity. So as force is a vector quantity, so electric field intensity is also a vector quantity. So it will have a unit of force as Newton and charge as Coulomb. So Newton per Coulomb is a unit of electric field intensity. Is it clear? Now you can say that physically हम इसको कैसे explain कर सकते हैं बेटा? Means to say this is your region. Along this unit area, intensity is defined as, you can say that here is your charge, that is Q charge. How much force is applied on this charge along this condition? Here is your charge and here is your test charge. How much this force is applied? This charge is applying the force on this. How much this force is applied? How stronger this force is applied? This is called electric field intensity. Is it clear? The region where it exerts a force on this region, this is called electric field. And the strength of this electric field, that is on the electrostatic force applied on this charge, that is called electric field intensity. Is it clear now? This is about electric field and electric field intensity. Now a point comes that we are discussing about electric field and electric field intensity. Obviously, we are discussing about the strength, and then we are discussing about this force. It is a charge Q plus, and here is charge test charge Q plus. Then the direction will be repulsion along this. Obviously, suppose I have here a negative charge and test charge will be positive. So what will be the direction? Direction will be this, because there will be the attraction now. In this case, there will be repulsion, and the force, electrostatic force, will be along this direction. In this case, electrostatic force will be along this direction. Is it clear? According to these conditions, you can say that somehow electric field will give you the direction, how this direction will come. And second thing, electric field intensity, how stronger the electrostatic force is applied. It means there is some requirement of the strength of the electric field intensity. Then how we have a concept of electric field intensity or strength of the electric field intensity. These two questions have as answer, that is electric field lines. Electric field lines. Electric field lines are the imaginary lines around the charge. Is it clear? First of all, these are the imaginary lines around the charge. Is it clear? Not actually, but these are the imaginary lines. Is it clear? These electric field lines Is it clear? Imaginary lines around the charge. Suppose I have sunlight or I have any source of light. This is source of light. Around this, you can say that we can draw lines like this. These are the imaginary lines, not actual lines. ठीक है? इन lines को क्या कहते हैं? Field lines. And we are discussing here the charge. This is your charge. Q. Around this, we are discussing about the field lines. So these are called electric field lines related to charge. Is it clear, better? Now, how they will give you the strength and direction of the electric field lines? Electric field and electric field intensity. Suppose we have positive charge here, a single positive charge. As I discussed with you, suppose we have a positive charge and test charge positive as it is, so it will show repulsion. And suppose we have a negative charge and test charge as positive, it shows attraction. Field line should have this direction. These is the imaginary lines. This is shown by imaginary lines, electric field lines. Is it clear? So, positive sign always show away symbol. Is it clear? Because this is basically the experimental charge through which we can discuss about the field lines. So, we can say that because this is the actual charge, not जो positive और negative हो रहा है, ये तो टेस्ट चार्ज उसके ब्रिंगिंग ईयर आप ला रहे हैं, जिसके इफेक्ट को बेसिकली ये चार्ज टेस्ट चार्ज है, इसके इफेक्ट को ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए आप रख रहे हो, ठीक है? इसका पर्पस और कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे. Actual charge is this. So positive charge have behavior like field lines moving away from the positive charge. Is it clear? And if I consider an isolated negative charge, what will this behavior? It will have field lines, but direction will be towards. You can simply say that positive charges, electric field lines originate from the positive charges because this is the origin point. You can say that moving away, and this is the termination point. You can say that field lines originate from the positive charge and terminate at the negative charge. Is it clear? If I have an isolated positive and negative charge, this will be the condition. So I can write it as a statement form, that is electric field lines originate from positive charge and positive charge and terminate at negative charge. Is it clear now? Now, this is about the isolated charges. Isolated positive, isolated means separate positive charge and separate negative charge. If I have two positive charges or two negative charges or one positive and one negative charges combined form, suppose I can have the situation positive and positive charge interaction, negative and negative charge interaction, and positive and negative charge interaction. These two possibilities can be there now. Obviously, charges will originate from this terminal. This will be the symbol, and this will have same symbol, positive charge origination. Here, no wind effect will show on each other because there is no corresponding relation with this. But this point will show some relation. This charge have effect for electrostatic force on this, and this charge will show electrostatic effect on this charge. Both have positive charge behavior, both have same nature. So when they cross each other, they will repel each other. When they cross each other, they will repel each other. As you can see this, the central region will be empty. Empty means these are the field lines, these are the field lines, these are also this region will be free of field line region. You can say that this region will be zero field region. यहाँ कोई फील्ड मौजूद नहीं है क्योंकि लाइन्स मौजूद नहीं है. लाइन्स होंगी तो फील्ड इंटेंसिटी फील्ड को शो करेंगे. जब लाइन्स नहीं तो वहाँ फील्ड नहीं है बिकॉज इन्होंने एक दूसरे को रिपेल किया और रिपेल करके क्या हुआ, एक दूसरे के इफेक्ट को वहाँ पे कैंसिल कर दिया. ठीक है, पास क्या आएगा, स्ट्रेट आएगा। This. Now if I have positive and negative charge, so what will happen in case of positive and negative charge? It will happen that it will show attraction. Attraction why? Because unlike charges will attract each other, so it will strongly attract each other. As far as external environment will be affected, their interaction will be weaker, but on-to-on collision will be stronger. So this region shows zero field region, center point, but in this case the center point will show the strong field region. Maximum the number of lines, maximum will be the strength of electric field. You can say that as we discussed, the electric field line shows the strength, direction of the electric field as well as strength of the electric field intensity. Is it clear now? I can show it as suppose I have this point as this is the source charge. I can discuss it as positive charge. As far as we are moving away from the charge, these are the electric field lines. Direction is away, obviously positive charge है. Origination point and direction of the field lines is away from that. If I consider the area along this, here 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are crossing this surface area. If I consider the same area along this distance, it will have only one line. It means near the source electric field strength, electric field lines are greater, and lines are greater, so electric field strength or electric field intensity will be greater. As far as we are moving away from the source or charge, the electric field strength or electric field intensity will be decreases. So you can say that number of electric field lines will give you the strength of electric field intensity or electric field. Is it clear? And direction is, I have mentioned this about the direction. This and this by arrowhead. Direction is shown by arrowhead. This arrow. Is it clear now? Now this is all about electric field lines. The distance or spacing between these lines will give you the strength of electric field intensity or electric field. The spacing between the electric field lines gives the strength of electric field intensity. Is it clear with that? As far as lines are closer, strength of electric field will be greater. As far as spacing increases, the electric field strength will be decreases. So spacing will ultimately give you the strength of the electric field intensity or electric field. This is all about electric field intensity and electric field lines. Thank you, students.